Hello everybody, welcome to 728 South Poydras Street in Breaux. I want to give you a little home tour. Come along with me. This is the front of the home. It has a tin roof. The siding is actually metal or aluminum. It has a front porch. Let's walk up to the house. There's some little stepping stones. We're greeted by some flowers, and we have a little seating area set up, but you could put some rocking chairs or whatever you would like out here. Okay, as we enter the home, you can see there is very tall ceilings in here, which make it feel bigger. It's almost 1,350 square foot. The walls are painted a bright yellow, easily changed. It does have some old carpet in here, but that's an easy fix. And then this is the dining room. Has beadboard ceiling. And then we're going to go into the kitchen. It has tall cabinets. It's got good storage in here. Got some cool hardware on the cabinets. It's got electric. It's got a refrigerator. And there's a little door to go out to the side porch. See the neat details in here. We have a bedroom off to the side here, some bright purple paint. And then we have, and paint's easy, guys. Paint's so easy to fix things. This is another bedroom, which are all really good size. And there's a beadboard ceiling in here. And then what we're calling the main bedroom. Good size room. And if you didn't notice, the stained glass. There's some storage closet. This one has a vanity in here. And then the bathroom, big bathroom. It is a shared bathroom. There's only one, but there's a vanity. Probably room that this could have two vanities in here, a double. The tub, they did add a shower head. Okay. That's inside. I'm going to show you outside next. This is the side porch. You get to from the kitchen. There's also a door that you can get from the dining room and from the bathroom. Okay, it's on 1.92 acres. This is the back of the property. It's got some beautiful oak trees back here. I can hear the church bells ringing, which is very cool. St. Bernard Church is not far from here. This is the crawfish capital of the world, Breaux, Louisiana. And then this goes all the way back to the Bayou Teche. It's really lovely back here.